Hey everybody, so next on the project list is my 1972 Chevy K20 four-wheel drive 3/4 ton pickup. Uh, I've had this truck in some form or another since high school, and it was my mother's before that, and it was her brother's before that. So it's been in the family quite a while. I drove the wheels off this thing through high school and college, and afterwards blew up the small block in it that was in it quite a while ago. And then about 5 years ago, I found a 454 and put that in and got it running and moving and everything. It just wasn't happy with how the big block fit. And so I kind of put on the back burner, and then we moved out to the country here. And this kind of got pushed outside and a little bit neglected for the last couple years while I worked on the 58 Chevy and the 32 Chevy. Thinking now I have a 6-liter LQ9 and 4L80 that I got from Skip at French Lake Auto Parts, and thinking about trying to put the swap into this just so I can get this thing back on the road and have some fun with it again. Here, let's take a look at what we have right now. So here's the big block Chevy that's in there. It's out of a 96 Suburban, has very low miles on it. I saw the Suburban that was pulled out, a very clean truck, so this thing's gonna be pretty nice inside, I would think. But here's the problems I ran into. The valve cover is dangerously close to the firewall there, and I'm guessing I don't really want it to self-clearance while I'm driving this thing. Same way on this side. Actually, the stock manifolds cleared pretty well to the frame, and as well as the oil filter. It actually went in pretty good. I was really excited about it until it got settled in, and just not happy with it. And I have plans for this engine that may go into another project at some point. But I bought a radiator out of the same year Suburban, so that would fit, and put all the cooler lines and everything fit up to it really nice, so that actually worked out pretty well. The rest of the truck is okay. It's not mint by obviously any means, but it's much better than what I had, which was a very old restoration that was poorly done, and very rusty. So I actually found this body actually also at French Lake Auto Parts, and did a body swap with a friend of mine a couple years ago, just after I did the big block swap. I got several dash inserts I could use to put in there. I haven't chosen which one I'm going to use yet, but hoping that the LS swap goes a little bit better than the big block swap. I know I'll have to do some fuel system changes, and obviously bracketry for motor mounts, trans mount, all that kind of stuff. We'll see what I do with all of that, and I will keep you posted as far as that goes. Later. So, very cold start for 1972 Chevy pickup with a 6-liter LS swap. It has been a hot minute since this has been fired up, probably 3 months, 4 months, I don't know. I'll see what I can do. I have no idea how this is what's gonna happen here, but let's try it. Oh, fuel pump ran. Am I forgetting something?